In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to send a group email in Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create a group email in Gmail, first of all, you need to go to Contacts, click on Google Apps icon on upper right corner, scroll down and click on Contacts. Here in left pane, you will find Labels. Click on plus icon here to create a label. Assign a name here. I am assigning the name IT Departments, IT Devs. Now click on Save and look, the label is created and this label is the group. Now select the email addresses which you want to include in this group. I am selecting some email addresses. And here you will find an option Manage Labels. Click on Manage Labels and select IT Departments and then click on Apply. Now I'm going to check, click on IT Department and these 5 email addresses are included in this IT department group. Now go to Gmail again. Now click on Compose to send the email. In the to address field, type IT departments. Look, you will find your IT departments here and 5 members are here. Select it. The email will be sent to all email addresses in this group, and then you can type the subject and email body, and accordingly you can send the email to these 5 addresses. This is the easiest way to send group email in Gmail. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.